Welcome all my students of VTC 1064. Now I will give you some funda of the supermarket or combination stores. Supermarket is one type of large size retail business which is generally deals in food articles and daily necessities, and where the customer have to pick up the articles according to their choice from the rack or shelf and pay the price to a central place for its purchase. This type of shop sells generally various type of consumer goods like food articles, green vegetables, meat, egg, bread, butter, sweet meat, etc. In this business there is no salesman, but some assistants are there to help the customer if necessary. If their service is short for, they will have to be paid for it. In our country, this type of stores have been established on cooperative basis in large cities and town. Okay, what is the feature of supermarket? The feature of supermarket are number 1, that is type of goods. তোমাদের আগেই বলেছি, ডেসক্রিপশনেই বলেছি না নাকি এরা কী করে সাধারণত ফুড গুডস, কনজিউমার গুডস, এর মধ্যে ফুড আর্টিকেল এগুলো বেশি থাকছে। তাহলে এরা কী করছে? দিস স্টোর জেনারেলি ডিলস ইন ফুড আর্টিকেলস অ্যান্ড ডেইলি নেসেসারি গুডস লাইক ফিশ, মিট, এগ, ব্রেড অ্যান্ড ভেজিটেবল। Place for goods. In accordance with nature and size, the goods are placed separately in a different or definite rack, shelf or almirah so that no customer get goods of his choice. Next point, no salesman. In this shop there is no salesman. Price of each article is fixed on the packet. The customer purchase goods on his own choice and pay the price to a specific place. Next point, ownership of this type of business. The business may be developed either in private or public sector. The business may be developed under private sector or public sector. Again, in case of private sector, it may be conducted as either sole proprietorship or partnership, joint stock company or cooperative organization. Okay, location of this shop. The shop are generally located in popular locality in a big cities, because in popular regions people along all there gather and the shop will be done goodly. Consumers. Another form of departmental store it is. Like departmental store, the supermarket are established under one roof. As such motto, there are called another form of departmental stores. इसको डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर के साथ इसको कंपेयर किया जाता है। इस सुपरमार्केट के कुछ एडवांटेज है, क्या है ना? Elimination of middleman. This type of business there is no existence of middleman. As such, the cost is low. Less administrative costs. Without opening different selling counter at various places, the business is confined to one place. As result, overall the overhead expenses relating to administrative and selling cost will also be less. बहुत कम होता है. Saving in labor and time. The customer may get different article of their choice from the same shop. As a result, it saves their time as well as the labor. Facility for selection of goods. It is an important topic or point. Each variety of articles has a large amount of stock, so there is ample opportunity for customer to select the goods according to choice. Facility for large scale purchase. This type of business can enjoy the advantage of large scale buying because there huge amount of various type of article are purchased at a time. High quality goods. Each of the articles sold here is of high quality and definite standard. This will provide for customer satisfaction. Next point, high turnover. The articles are sold here at a cheap price. Besides, a powerful medium is adopted for displaying an advertisement. This will attract large number of customers. As a result, by virtue of large volume of transaction, the turnover of stock will be high, very high. Here is कुछ disadvantage भी है. इसका disadvantage necessary of huge amount of capital. A huge amount of capital is required to establishment and conduct this type of organization. It is not always possible to procure such capital. मतलब यहाँ पर इसको भी बहुत सामान रखने पड़ता है, इसके एरिया बड़ा होता है, ये पर बहुत किस्म का सामान रखने पड़ता है. It is a small type of departmental store. So इस पर कैपिटल ज़्यादा पड़ता है, सबको इन्वेस्ट करना, इतना कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट करना संभव नहीं होता है. हाई मैनेजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस, इसको भी मैनेजमेंट कॉस्ट ज़्यादा होता है. इन ऑर्डर टू मैनेज दिस बिजनेस स्मूथली द एफिशिएंट मैनेजर्स आर एसेंशियल. सो मैनेजमेंट एक्सपेंस विल बी वेरी हाई. इट इज़ द डिसएडवांटेज. लेस एवरेज प्रॉफिट. हियर इज टाइम विल नॉट बी large because customer in large number may not come here to procure goods. Apart from this, the loss incurred by department is compensatory by another. This will reduce the average profit of the business. It is very very important. তোমরা ভালো করে এই সুপার মার্কেটটাকে ভালো করে দেখবে. এটা ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট. এখান থেকে শর্ট কোশ্চেন তোমাদের আসতে পারে. থ্যাঙ্কস.